video is for the social media quiz assignment 2. Create a quiz in Socrative.com. First, you're going to search Socrative teacher. Make sure you copy the correct spelling. And then you're going to click on the first link. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Sign In with Google. And then what you're going to do is choose your account. And then click on Allow. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Quizzes up at the top. And then you're going to click on Add Quiz in the top right corner. Click on Create New. And then what you're going to do is erase where it says Untitled Quiz, and you're going to type in the name for your own quiz. Then what you're going to do is you're going to add a multiple choice question by clicking on multiple choice. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to open up a new tab, and you're going to go to Google Drive. And you're going to click where it says Search Drive, and just start typing assignment 1. Create a rough draft, and you should see your document come up, and go ahead and click on it when it comes up. And from here, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to page 2 where your questions begin. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to highlight the information under question 1. So I'm just going to go ahead and click and drag, and then hit Control C on your keyboard to copy it. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click back over to the Socrative tab and just scroll down a little bit, and then in the space that appears right next to the little sun and mountains, you're going to click and then hit Control V on your keyboard to paste the question. So then what you're going to do next is you're going to start adding your answer choices. So you're going to click back over to your work, and if you hit Tab on your keyboard, it'll highlight. Actually, if you just click once before you hit Tab, so click in the space in question 1, hit Tab, and it highlights it all. So if you just hit Control C on your keyboard to copy it, click back over to Socrative and click over for answer choice A, hit Control V. You're going to do the same thing with your other choices. Click back to your work, click once in the A space, hit Tab. It should highlight all of choice B. And if it doesn't, you can just go ahead and click and drag. So then Control C, click Socrative, go over to B, Control V to paste, and just keep doing that. So next we're going to highlight C, Control C, Socrative, click over at C, Control V, click back, highlight choice D, Control C to copy Socrative, Control V to paste over by D. And then the last thing you're going to do for the question is you're going to scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see a space for explanation. You're going to go back over to your work, and you're going to highlight the information under explanation citation. Control C to copy it, and then click back over to Socrative and click over where it has the explanation, and Control V to paste. So now that's how you would complete one question. And what you would do next is you would just click, so scroll down, click a multiple choice in order to add the rest of your questions. And then once you've finished adding all of your questions, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll up to the top of the page and you're going to click on the Save and Exit button. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Launch up at the top, and then you're going to click on Space Race. Next from here, you're going to click on the name of your quiz, so in this case, social media quiz. And then you're going to click on the Next button down at the bottom. And then from here, what you're going to do is under number of teams, just choose the number of teams you'd like to have. So it doesn't really matter how many teams you have. And then next, what you're going to do is click on the checkbox for Show Final Score. And then click on Start. And so then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to hit Control, Shift, and the button above the 6 key. And that's going to allow you to take a screenshot. So what you're going to do is you're going to rest your pointer right above the letters that appear in your space race. And you're just going to click and drag, draw a little box around them. And then be ready to click in the bottom right corner of your screen. You're going to click on Copy to Clipboard. And so then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and open up a presentation that's been shared with you. So from here, what you're going to do is you're going to go back over to Google Drive. So you should hopefully have Google Drive open. And if not, you can always go ahead and open Google Drive. And so then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to open up a presentation that's been shared with you. And it's going to be titled Grade 8. So if you just start typing Grade 8 Social Media Quizzes. And it's a presentation, so there it is. So you're going to click on the presentation that appears. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to add a new slide. So you just click on the plus sign in order to add a new slide. And then from here, you're going to type in your name. And then what you'll do is you'll click where it says click to add text. And you want to tell people to Google search Socrative student. So that's how they're going to get to your quiz. And click the first link. Next, what they're going to have to do is they're going to have to enter your room name. So we're going to say enter the room name. And then what you're going to do is you're going to paste the code that you copied just by hitting Control V on your keyboard. And then what should happen is it should pop up. So this is the code right here. And so basically when you paste, it's going to come up looking the same way that it looked there. And so it's just taking a minute. There it is. So anyway, there's the code. And you can just drag it in so that way people can see it. And so then from here, other people will be able to take your quiz, and this will be shared with people next class.